Welcome to Prabhu K.B.'s YouTube channel. I am the CEO Managing Partner of Fibocan LLP. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products, solutions and innovative investment strategies. In every video, we will be discussing what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why it will happen and when it will happen. That is why we request everyone to subscribe and watch the video till the end, and also encourage your known friends to subscribe. Today, December 28, Tuesday, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day. BankNifty closed flat at 35,183, while Nifty jumped up by around 1%, 17,233. If one recollects, in yesterday's video we have told that Nifty will close above 17,020 for this week, that is Thursday and even Friday, which is a month end closing, also year end closing, and it will be above that. That is what we stated. Today we are saying that it will close above 17,104.40, which is the opening for this month in the monthly chart. BankNifty, yesterday we are told that 34,913.68, it will close above that level. We still maintain that, and it will definitely above that level. Now we will go into the individual stocks. Today there is nothing much to talk about banking and financials, excepting that HDFC Bank moved up by 0.6%. Now it is at 1460, well above the previous year's close. HDFC twins, HDFC and HDFC Bank and Manappuram is also out of danger, at least at this moment, but HDFC twins are definitely out of danger. So is the case with LIC Housing Finance, which also jumped today by good percentage. On the insurance and card, overall there is nothing much to state. Again, the same old story that we told yesterday. On the insurance and card front, ICICI General Insurance jumped up by 3%, Pru also jumped by 0.8%, and SBI Life jumped up by 1.3%. HDFC Life is still in danger, while SBI Cards jumped up by 1%. On the oil and telecom, Reliance and Bharti jumped up by 0.6% and 1% respectively, and they are continuing to go up at least next year. On the IT, there is nothing much to say. LTA, HCL, Infi and Techam jumped up, while Emphasis jumped up significantly by 3%, Birlasoft by 2%, Wipro, Mindtree and all jumped up by 0.7 to 1%, all these stocks. Take care. So IT continues to be a buy next year also. On the consumer good front, again the same old story. Hindustan Lever, today it remained flat. Britannia 1% up, Colpal 0.5% up. Of course they are still in the danger. Berger is also hovering at these levels. Whereas PVR fell today 3.5%. Trent fell by 1.5%. ABFRL also fell by 1.5%. Titan jumped up by 2%. Asian Paints and Pidilite by 3% up. They continued their up move. On the automobile front, Tata Motors jumped up by 2%, M&M by 2.5% and Eicher by 1.7%, while Bajaj, Escorts, Hero Motors, Motherson Sumi and TVS jumped anywhere from 0.6 to 0.8% up. Maruti remained flat, while metals, coal, Hindalco and Vedanta jumped up from 1.2 to 1.9%, while Jindal Steel, JSW, NMDC, National Aluminium, SAIL, Tata Steel remained flat. Health and Pharma, Apollo, Dr. Reddy, Cipla, Thyrocare remained flat, while Divis and Sun Pharma and Metropolis jumped 1 to 3%. On the others, Adani Port jumped up by 0.8%, DLF 0.8%, Polycab and Adani Ports by 1.2%. Overall, all these stocks are looking good, not just for this year, for next year also. In the first week of January, we will be giving the details. Anyway, now we will come to the Nifty, Bank Nifty closure. Bank Nifty, we expect it to close between 35,117 on the lower side, and on the upper side not above 35,708. Why 35,708? That is the 200-day moving average. This is only for this week, that is week ending Thursday, and also probably Friday, which is the month end and year end close. Nifty on the other hand, it will close between 17,104.40 on the lower side, and on the upper side it should be 17,200. That is the range we are expecting for the weekly option and also for the month end. With this, we end this video. Thank you very much for subscribing. As always, disclaimer, the objective of this video is only for training and educational purpose. Please discuss with your investment advisor before making any investment decision. Thank you.